So in previous topic we saw what is meant by abstraction, right? What are the methods present inside the abstraction, how we will create the abstract, and what are the two ways to achieve the abstraction. We saw that, right? So today, yesterday, means in the previous way, in the previous class, we saw that what is the first way to achieve the abstraction, right? And in today's lecture we will see the another way to achieve the abstraction. In the previous means in short session we saw what is meant by interface, how to create an interface. Today also we will revise that another means one more time. Okay, so first is the interface. This is the another way to achieve the abstraction, and with the help of interface we can achieve 100% of abstraction. That you all knows that, right? See, if you see this one, like this one. Okay, there are two ways to achieve abstraction. First one is the abstract class, and another one is the interface. And if I ask you about the abstraction, means abstraction is hiding implementation and just showing the important services to the user. Okay, that is only known as the abstraction. All we knows that. And we saw one real-time example also, like laptop. If we press the button, our laptop will be start, but we don't know what is happening inside, means what is the implementation of this button. Internally we don't know, but we knows only if we press the button our laptop will be start. Okay, and we created one program also that day, that is the car, scooter and bike, right? If we press the key, our bike will be start. If we rotate the key, our car will be start. But we don't know what will happen inside, right? What is happening inside, what is the implementation is happening inside, we don't know. That is only known as the abstraction. Means we show only the essential services to the user, and we will hide the implementation. That only known as the abstraction. And that day we saw the abstract class. Today we will see the interface. Okay, so with the help of abstract class we will achieve 0 to 100%, and with the help of interface we can achieve 100% of abstraction. So we'll start with the interface today. So what is meant by interfaces is, interface is similar to the abstract class. Okay, it is a similar to the abstract class, but all the methods which are present inside the interface are the abstract type. Means which type of method will be present inside the interface? All the methods which are present inside the interface, all are the abstract type methods. Okay, and inside the abstract class we saw that we can able to write abstract method also and non-abstract method also, but inside the interface we can write only the abstract type of method. Okay, but after 8 version, after 9th version they did some modification. After that versions we can able to write some concrete method inside that we will see later. Okay, so after that, what is the definition? Definition is the blueprint of the class. What is the interface? The interface is a blueprint of the class, and class is a blueprint of the object, right? We can make, means whatever we will write inside the interface, that type of class will be created, and whatever type we will write inside the class, that type of object will be created. Okay, interface is a blueprint of class, and class is a blueprint of object. Okay, it specify class that what class have to do, but it will not specify to class what class have to do. Okay, means it will tell to class what class have to do, but it will not tell to class how to do that. Okay, I will tell you while learning the practical. While we will learn the practical, no, that time I will tell you what is the meaning of this one, this statement. Okay, after that, next point is that we cannot create an instance of the interface. Same point we saw inside the abstract class also, right? We cannot create an instance of the class interface, means we cannot able to create an object of the interface also, because inside the interface all the methods are the abstract type only. Means abstract type method means they don't have any body and all, they don't have any implementation. If we able to create the object of the interface also, so what we will do that, because that method means if we are able to create an object, so we can able to call the methods also, right? But if we call these methods, all the methods are abstract type only, and inside that methods nothing will be present. So what we will do with that, right? So from, means in my point of view, with this reason we cannot able to create an object of the interface, and also the object of the abstract class also. Okay, after that, what is the use of the interface? Okay, first use is that it is used to achieve the abstraction. We saw that, right? Why we are using the interface? It is used to achieve the abstraction. If you want to achieve the abstraction, simply we will use the interface. After that, it supports multiple inheritance. While learning the inheritance, we saw that in only three types of inheritance Java will support. Which type of? That is the single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and another one is the hierarchical, right? Multiple and the hybrid inheritance is not supported by the Java, but we can achieve that inheritance, that type of inheritance with the help of interface, right? It supports multiple inheritance, means we will see how to achieve the multiple inheritance with the help of interface also today, okay? And after that, at last, it can be used to achieve the loose coupling. Suppose if we have a parent class and if we have a child class, so whatever changes we will make into the parent class, that we will not reflect into the child class, okay? Whatever changes we will do into the parent class, that will not reflect into the child class. That only meaning, simple meaning of the loose coupling, okay? That only the simple meaning of the loose coupling. So that are the three uses of the interface. It's used to achieve the abstraction, it supports multiple inheritance, and it is used to achieve the loose coupling. These are the three uses of the interface, okay? After that, how to write the interface, what is the syntax of the interface? So first thing, we have to write the interface keyword and interface name, same like a class we have to declare. If you want to declare the class, how we will write? Simply we will write a class keyword, and after that we have to write the class name. Same like that, if you want to declare or if you want to write the interface, how we will write that? First we need to write the interface keyword, and after that we have to write the interface name, okay? So what are the things present inside the interface? So first thing is the method, and another thing is the fields, methods and the variable which are present inside the interface. All the methods which are present inside the interface, all are the public abstract, okay? If you are writing also, if you are writing public abstract with that method, so it is also okay. But if you are not writing also, so compiler will add public abstract automatically before that method, okay? And after that, fields means that is the variable, simply, right? All the variable which are present inside the interface, all are the public, static and the final. And if you are writing with that variable, that is the public, static, final, that is also okay. If you are not writing also, so compiler will indirectly add public, static, final before that, okay? Then this is the thing, this, if you want to declare the interface, this thing you have to remember. Like, if you, what are the things present inside the interface? That is the methods and the fields. So all the methods which are present inside the interface, all are the public and abstract, okay? And all the fields which are present inside the interface, that all are the public, static and final, okay? Now we will try to create a one interface. So simply we will come to our Eclipse, okay? Simply I came to the Eclipse, and here I am writing interface, okay? Same like a class, how we will declare the class? Simply we have to write the class, and after that we have to write the class name. So suppose demo is my class name, right? Same like that we will declare the class. If you want to declare the interface also, same like that we have to declare. Simply we have to write the interface keyword, okay? And after that we have to write the interface name, any interface name you can write, okay? So suppose I am writing here I1 interface 1, I am writing here, okay? I1, you can give any name, you can give demo name also, test, anything you can give to the interface, okay? Simply we have to write the interface keyword and the interface name, okay? After that, inside the interface, many methods and the variables will be present. Suppose I am writing here like that, public, sorry, void and m1, okay? Same like that I am writing, okay? Void and m1. So which type of method is this? That is the abstract type. Suppose I am not writing here the public and abstract also, so compiler will add public and abstract before that, okay? If you are writing like that also, that is also okay. And if you are writing like that also, that like public and abstract, so that will also okay, okay? If you are not writing, so compiler will add public abstract before that. And if you are writing also, so that is also okay. Both the things are same only, okay? After that, the variables. So how to write the variables? So variables which are present inside the interface, all are the public, static and final. Suppose I am declaring one variable here, that is int a equals to 0, a equals to 10 I am writing here, okay? So this type, if I am writing like that, so what if which type of variable is this? That is the public, static and the final. If you are writing like this, that is also okay. And if you are writing like this, public, static, final and int a equals to 10, So this is also okay. If you are writing like this means compiler will add public static final before that. And if you are not writing, sorry, if you are writing like this, like int a equals to 10, so compiler will add public static final before that. And if you are writing directly public static final int equal a equals to 10 also, that is also okay. So that both are the same thing only, like a method. If you are adding like writing method like that, that is also okay. If you are adding public abstract before that, that is also okay. But if you are not writing here, so compiler will add public abstract indirectly, okay, or internally it will be add. If you are writing like that, and if you are not writing before public static and final, so compiler will add internally or the indirectly before that, okay. So both are the same thing. After that, they did some modification. We will see some modification inside the interface. After 8th version, we can able to write default concrete method inside the interface. Default concrete method means what? This thing, that is the open curly braces and the close curly braces, that is only called as the concrete body. Okay, that is only called as the concrete body. Suppose you are declaring this one. See, this have any concrete body or not? No, this thing don't have any concrete body. So what we did it after Java 8 version, we can able to write the concrete method, but which type? That is the default concrete method inside the interface. Suppose I am declaring the method void m1. Sorry, here void m1, but we have to declare this method as a default because inside the interface m2, sorry, okay, default void m2. I'm writing here the default method. If you after Java 8 version, they are able, means they allow us to write the default concrete method inside the interface. Okay, inside the interface we can able to write the default concrete method after Java 8 version. I am using 11 version, JDK 11, that's why we can able to write the default concrete method inside the interface. But if you are using the older version than 8, okay, JDK 8, so you will be not able to write the default m2 method inside the interface, default concrete method inside the interface. Okay, after that another modification is that is the stick concrete method, but that must be public. Okay, that must be a public. So we can able to write the static method also inside the interface. Suppose if I are writing the any method here, the static void and m3, like that. See here, I have not wrote here the public, but that's why, but it is not giving the error. Why it is not giving the error? Because it is means automatically considering public here. Okay, if you are not adding here also, so it will be considered public here. Okay, automatically. So we can able to write the public concrete method, public static concrete method inside the interface after the JDK 8th version. But after the 9th version also, they modify in some things also. So which are that thing? That is the private method. So we can able to write the private method inside the, we can able to write private method inside the, but how can we access the method? See, these are the static methods, so we can able to, these are the static methods, so we can able to call that with the help of class name, right? So with the help of interface also we can able to call, or we can inside the interface we cannot able to create the object, right? So we can extend it, and after that we can able to call with the help of child class object directly. Okay, we can able to call it with the help of child class object directly, means we have to override that and we have to call that. Okay, after that private method, so we can able to write the private method also inside the interface. If I write here the private, so this time also we can able to call this. Okay, this time also we can able to write this inside the concrete, inside the interface, means we can able to write private methods also inside the interface. Which modification they did after Java JDK 8 version, we can able to write default concrete method inside the interface, static concrete method, but that must be public inside the interface. And after 9th version they did one modification only, we can able to write private methods inside the interface. So suppose if we have a method like that, okay, suppose we have a method that is the void m1. If we are not adding here anything, so what JVM will add here, that is the public and the abstract, right? If you are not writing anything here, so public and abstract will be add before that, right? Who will add? That is the JVM or the compiler will create inside the JVM. So JVM will add here, that is the public and the abstract, right? After that, who will provide the body to this m1? Okay, one thing is there now. So who will provide body to this m1? So we will provide, simply we have to extend this class. Okay, we have to inherit this interface into the another class. If you want to provide the body of the same method, we have to inherit this interface. But there is one twist. Suppose I am declaring a class here, public and a text. Simply I am declaring like the class. Okay, so when we have to inherit the class, so we are using simply extends, right? Class to class, we are using the extends. Suppose here is the class, and if you want to inherit this class, inherit that class into this class, so what we are doing, simply that is the extends. But if you want to inherit the interface into the class, so which keyword we will use? Simply that is the implements. Okay, which keyword we will use? That is the implement. If you want to inherit the interface into the class, that time simply we will use the implements, and after that simply we have to write I1 here, I1. Okay, but it is giving the error. Why it is giving the error? Because inside the interface there is an abstract method. Okay, because in this interface there is an abstract method. If you are not writing here, so what GPM will add indirectly here? That is the public and the abstract. Like public and the abstract will be add here. That is, who will add that? That is the GPM, right? And which type of method is this? That is the abstract method, because it don't have any body and it is end with the semicolon, and it is declared with the abstract keyword also. Okay, and we have to provide the body. So how we provide the body? We have to extend this interface, we have to inherit this interface, and after that we have to override this method into the child class. So simply we will override this method. So write add an implement method, or you can write with the help by manually also. Okay, this is the method we have override, that is the m1 method. And if you want to provide the body, how we will provide? Simply we have provided like that, and we can write anything inside the body like hello. Okay, and now if you want to call this one, simply how we'll call that? Simply write here main method. Okay, and inside the main method we have to create the object, and with the help of object we can call the m1 method, simply new and okay, test class object I have created, and with the help of this object we can able to call the method. What is the name of our method? Is the m1. Now if I run this one, so hello will be print on the console. See, hello is printing on the console. Now suppose we have a one method here. Suppose we have again another method here. So what we need to do? It is giving the error again. What we need to do? We saw inside the abstract class also, no? Override, right? Yes, we have to implement the m2 method also. Whatever methods, if you have our 10 methods also, so we have to implement all the methods inside the child class. Okay, we have to implement all the methods inside the child class. Suppose we have one method, so we have to implement the one method. If you have two methods, so we have to implement the two methods. Remember these things. Okay, these are the basics only. Many people will confuse in this only. Okay, after that if you want to call this one, simply we can call with the help of object. There is the object.em2, same like a m1 method. Okay, now another thing is that how we can achieve the multiple inheritance with the help of interface. Okay, how we will achieve multiple inheritance with the help of interface? So simply we will come to the inheritance part. Okay, and this is the multiple inheritance. Inside the multiple inheritance, what we need to do? We have to extend single child class is extending the two parent class. Okay, single child class is extending the two parent class. So how we will do that? So what we will do? We will make this class A and class B is there, no? So what we will do? We will make this class A into the I1, means in the interface 1 and interface 2. We will take both these things as a interface 1 and interface 2, and then we can easily inherit both the class into the single child class. So how we will do that? We will convert this class A into the IA, or we can make this as a interface A, and another one is the interface B we can make, and simply we can take one class also. So how we will do that? Simply we will come here and remove all the things. Simply we will make this as a interface. We will not consider this time as a class. We will consider this as a interface. Simply I am writing here interface A. Okay, interface A I am writing, and simply I am writing here the method public, sorry, void m1 I am writing this time only. Okay, this time I am writing only one method inside that. After that, another thing we have, there is the class B. So we will not declare this as a class B, we will declare this as a interface B. Interface B, simple. Okay, and here we will declare the another method, that is the void m2 again. Okay, and again what we will do, simply we will come here and we will declare one class here, class C. So simply we will come here, I will write here class C. Okay, but sorry, we will make it as a class test. Okay, test, this C, I have changed the name from C to test. Okay, because I have declared name as a test. And if you are declaring, if you are giving the this file name as a test, and if you are declaring here the C class, and if you are writing the main method inside that, so JVM will not recognize that method, it will give you the error main method have not declared. Okay, so that's why I'm writing the main method inside the test class, public class test. Okay, now what we need to do, we have to extend both the parent class into the single child class. One child class can extend or inherit the two parent class. So simply we'll come here, first we have to, if you want to inherit the interface, which keyword we will use, that is the implements, right? First we need to implement inherit the A class, and after we have to inherit the B class also. See here, class A and class B. Class A we have to inherit into the C, and class B also we have to inherit into the C. So how we will do that? Simply we will write here implements A, means we have successfully inherited the interface A. After that, comma we will write, we have to inherit the B also. Simply we write here B also. See, we have successfully inherited A and the B also. Means single child class is inheriting the two parent class. See, two parent class and one child class. Okay. After that, it is giving the error. Why? Because we have not implement the methods. Simply we will write add an implement method, and here we will write things system.out. Here we will write A. And same thing we will copy from here and we will write into the here. Sorry, this B and this A. Okay, and if you want to call this one, means how we'll call that? Simply we have to write the main method, and inside the main method we have to create the object of this test, right? So simply new test obj, and after that obj dot, first we will call the m1 method, this thing, this is the basics only, right? Object dot m1, and if you want to call the m2 method, simply we will call with the help of object dot m. And if you run this one, A and B is printing on the console. So we have successfully achieved here multiple inheritance. There is the A, we have two parent class having the one single child class. One child class is inheriting the two parent class. That is only known as the inheritance. There is the multiple inheritance. See here, class A, class B is inherited by the class C, right? Single child class having the two parent class. Okay, class A and class B. See here, class interface A, interface B, and we have which who is inheriting that both the class into the single child class, class test. Okay, so that is only known as the multiple inheritance. After that, there is the hybrid inheritance. That is the assignment for you today. Okay, so that is all about the interface today. Anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt? If anyone have any doubt, no, please tell me, I will tell you. No, we cannot able to write the same method, man, because it will be override, no? Hello.
And that means change class we can implement only one method.
Yes, if we were, I think we can able to write. No, see, m1 m1. So it is giving the error.
We can write only one time M1 in the change class.
Yes, yes, yes. because both if we write the same method, so it will be means it will be confused, no, which method we have to call like that. That's it. Okay. Okay. Anyone have any another doubt? Anyone have any another doubt? Can you explain upcasting, people creating or assembly, not assembly? Okay, I will explain you in next class. Okay, what is meant by upcasting and all. Okay. So anyone have any another issues? Yes,
Tell about the hybrid one. How it works.
which one? Which one?
Hybrid.
Hybrid is assignment for you guys. Just simply you have to means, see the diagram, and with the help of this diagram you can try to achieve that. Just try. No, if you have any doubt or also I will be here only to guide you. Okay. 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 Anyone have any doubt? Another doubt? Anyone have any another doubt? Okay, so I'm assuming that you don't have any doubt, okay, till now. But while solving this assignments and all, if you have any doubt, you can ping me or you can ping on the group also. Okay, so today's assignment is that you have to create a program on the hybrid inheritance, and you have to create another program on the inheritance. Means simple inheritance, like simple we have created, no, simple program you have to create like that. Okay, and you have to create on the multiple inheritance also. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. If you have any issues, please ping in the group or ping me, and we will meet you tomorrow. Thank you for your time. Bye, guys.